Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel, always here with my mother Franken, and today we are highlighting, what are these?
Zucchini flowers.
Zucchini flowers that are edible, delicious, and very popular in our culture. And they're in bloom basically around this time, around mid to late
Yeah, there's a
summer.
very short window in the summer, so
There really is. So as early as mid-July.
mid-July till about maybe the end of August,
That's
max the beginning of September.
Yeah, so you got a proper good 6 weeks, and then you're really scarcely trying to find that last little bit.
Oh, that's
so,
it.
We're showing you how my mother used to make them back in the days, which is honestly very simple. There are many different versions of making them, from variations of stuffing them, etc. We are documenting family memories and recipes on this channel. That's what it's all about, as well as documenting different things that we like. So today it's going to be a very simple one. But so that's it. So you're watching a family memory. So what do we have to do? First step is preparation of the flowers.
That's right.
So what do? We have to rinse them.
Well, we're gonna take out the petals, the outer petals, and the piston that's inside. We'll rinse them very gently under a very low stream of cold water. Then we have to pat dry, because you know that once the water hits oil, steaks all over the place. It's gonna like just spread. Obviously, you could see that these ones here were picked later on in the day. If you pick them up in the morning, that's when I used to go. My mother used to wake me up, or my father, vai in dalur, e va pigliare i fiori di cogozzo, we used to say. That's how we used to say, cogozzo di coguzziel, when they were completely all open. And that's why we used to pick them up in the morning, because it was very easy to take out the piston that's in the center. So with these ones here, we'll have to like gently open them up and remove them. We'll show you step by step. And they were so delicious. My father would take them, put them in 2 slices of pañotto, bring them to work. My mother used to bring them to work. When I used to work with her in the factory, we would bring them also as a snack. So good. And if you don't do them now, that's it. You're gonna have to wait till next year. In our dialect, that's how we call the zucchini. We used to say the gogots when they were big, or goguzzielli when they were small.
So my mother put me in charge to pat dry, so I'm just going to take some paper towel and you gently, again, they're very delicate flowers, but just pat dry the excess water. Because what will be the next steps?
The next step is we're gonna just dip them in egg wash. Like I said, I'm using my family recipe from way back when. They didn't have much ingredients, so it was just egg wash. And then after they dipped them in flour, a little bit of salt.
We fried it.
And then they would fry it. Very simple. Now there's so many.
Yeah, so many different variations.
Yeah,
You can
variations.
stuff them,
Yeah.
you can fry them, bread them, but for
Dip
this
them in
one,
batter.
for this one, the first time on our channel, we're gonna do,
I'm honoring my parents.
that's it. And then afterwards, you see us, usually that's what happens. We'll do our recipe and then we come back with different variations of it, because this channel is all about documenting family recipes.
Yeah.
And then also other type of variations of things that we like or we've grown to like along the ways.
Or simple traditional one. straight from Andretta, Avellino to Canada.
You got these at the market?
Yeah, I got these at the farmer's market, yeah. Not yet. It's starting. There we go. This is how we used to do it. Yeah.
So why are we choosing to put it on a wire rack at the end?
The reason why I like to put them on the wire rack is because if you leave it on paper towel, they become soggy. So putting it on a wire rack, once the excess oil has dripped off, they remain nice and crispy.
They have laid flat, cooled, and they hold their crisp if placed like my mom showed on a cooling rack just over a parchment lined baking sheet. You can also, and she used to do this as well as my nono, we used to put it in 2 nice pieces of bread and we would just remove off the stem, but it was just to show you, and this would be also a meal.
Yeah, my father would bring that for lunch in the summertime. When we used to do them, we used to love them.
And we would just pick them up like this and honestly eat them.
Oh,
so
yeah, yeah.
let's go.
There we go. Let's see. Oh my goodness, they're so good.
When you hit them with salt, so good.
Favorite. Bon appetit.
So good.
Too bad they're not in season all year long.
So good.
Really, really good.
They're light. It's a classic home flavor. Like my mom said, it was really the simplicity about
Very simple.
simple ingredients was what they had back then.
Egg and flour,
Yeah.
a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's it.
So good. We'll continue to show you guys different variations of it. This family memory checked off our list. And
it really touches my heart.
yeah,
Every
and-
time I talk about my parents,
Yeah.
I get so emotional.
Yeah, it's normal. Thank you so much for sharing this one with us.
I love it.
We hope you guys give it a try. If you've never tried zucchini flowers, well, now you know that they're edible. Now you know how to clean them and do them a very, very simple way. But honestly, look online. There's a plethora of different ways that you can zhuzh them up. And we're going to be filming the next one basically in a few minutes. Another way to use zucchini flowers. Until then, thank you guys for tuning in. New content uploaded every Sunday. Check out our recipe website, and you'll be able to see all our recipes uploaded there with some photo aid to help you recreate or basically give you guys some inspiration to change and alter at your own taste buds. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, continue to
Love what you eat.
love what you eat. Bye for now.
Bye bye, arrivederci. Alla prossima.
Super.
Really good.
Okay. On to the next.